The president was appalled and beside himself in recounting the images of consecutive brazen and embarrassing events in the Senate over the last 2.5 weeks. And he bewailed the state of affairs the once august institution has deteriorated into, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has expressed concern over the latest developments in the Senate, from the gun-related incident on May 13 to the recent walkout by the minority bloc. The president said these events are so unlike the Senate during his time as a senator.
I watched with horror that this is the Senate, that the Senate has become this. It's about work. It's not about personalities. Nagbago eh. Tapos, narating pa tayo sa putukan. Tapos, fake pala yung putukan. Tapos, hindi ko maintindihan.
The president said he could hardly imagine the Senate reaching this point, particularly sheltering a fugitive.
How did that happen? I don't understand how a Senate is supposed to function if those are the kind of things that the Senate is embroiled in. I hope they figure it out soon. I really do.
The president also denied allegations the government is allegedly targeting the majority bloc, following a series of cases filed against senators who are members of it. He pointed out that the filing of cases was based on the results of investigations conducted by the Ombudsman and the DOJ.
Hindi ko alam kung paano napunta na sinasabi na yung majority ngayon ang tinatarget. Dahil kung tutusin ninyo, hindi sila majority noon. So, that does not apply. It was because of the allegations that were made and the investigations that were conducted upon learning of those allegations against kung sino man. And kung ano man ang naging alignment sa Senado, walang kinalaman yun.
The president also said he does not favor the proposed online voting being pushed by some senators. According to him, there is no sufficient reason to allow such a proposal.
I disagree with that. I understand that we had to do it in COVID because there was a health risk. But I do not see any particularly good reason for us to allow it now.
He added that the proposal appears to benefit only a few senators.
It seems to only be applicable to Senator Bato para makaboto si Senator Bato dahil nagtatago siya. Now, for someone who is actually a fugitive from justice, na hinahanap ng pulis, na hinahanap ng Interpol, at may arrest warrant galing sa ICC, palagay ko, hindi siya dapat magbumoto. Hanggat dumating siya dun sa Senado.
The president also denied the claim of Senator Rodante Marcoleta that the Senate presidency of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is the only one that does not have Malacanang's blessing.
Malacanang doesn't give a rubber stamp to the Senate president. Is he implying that I somehow choose the Senate president? I think you ask any senator, ask me as a former senator, I will laugh in your face because that's simply not true.
The chief executive also strongly denied the claims made by his sister, Senator Amy Marcos, that the government is allegedly pushing for constitutional changes to extend the president's term.
The truth of the matter is we have never at any point even spoken about this anywhere with anyone at any time. So I don't know.
The president stressed that fake news is harmful, adding that it is better to be careful on the sources of the information people read or listen to. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.